Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain about operators in Java. So let's get started. What exactly are operators? Operators not only in Java programming language but in any other programming languages are nothing but just symbols. So what are operators? Operators are nothing but just symbols. Okay? In any programming language, not only Java, in any programming language, operators are nothing but just symbols using which we can perform the operations. For example, in Java programming language, for addition operation, we have symbol known as plus operator. Okay? Plus operator symbol is there. Using this plus operator symbol in Java programming language, we can do addition of the numbers or data. Okay? Using this plus operator in Java programming language, we can do the addition. For example, surrounding this plus, we have 5 and 4. What will happen? This 5 and 4 will be added using this plus operator symbol in Java. Okay, and the result will come as 9. So, in this example, this plus symbol is called as an operator. Okay, what is this plus operator? In this particular example, the plus symbol is nothing but the operator. What about this 5 and 4, which are surrounded by this plus symbol operator? These are called as operands. Okay, this is a terminology, guys, that you need to understand. Okay, the symbol that is provided in this particular statement of Java, this is called as operator. Whereas the data or the values that you are adding using this plus operator symbol in this example are called as operands. Here 4 is an operand. Okay, terminology wise, this is an operand, 4 is an operand, and 5 is also an operand. And plus is an operator symbol. So operators in any programming language are nothing but symbols. And in Java programming language, plus is a symbol for operator symbol for addition operator. Okay, addition operator symbol. Plus is a symbol of addition operator. And here 5 and 4 are the operands on which this operation will be generally performed using the operator. 5 and 4 are the operands in this example on which this plus operator symbol is going to perform the operation or to give the addition operation. Okay, to perform the addition operation, plus symbol is going to perform the operation on this 5 and 4 operands in this example. Fine. Now you understood what exactly are operators. Not only in Java programming language, in any other programming language also, in all programming languages, operators are nothing but symbols. Okay, using which we can perform the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. So there are so many operators in Java programming language to perform the operation on the operands, etc. Okay. But at a high level, if I want to categorize these operators in Java, okay, if I say types of operator, if I say, so what are the different types of operators we have? If I have to categorize the different types of operators in Java, at a high level, I can categorize these operators as first category of the operators in Java is arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators. First variety is arithmetic operators. Then we have second variety as unary operator. Unary operators. Second variety is unary operators. Now we have the third variety or third category of operators in Java is relational. Relational operators. Third category of operators we have in Java is relational operators. Now the fourth category is logical operators. Logical operators. Then we have assignment operators. Assignment operators. Then we have, after assignment, we have ternary operator. Ternary operator. Okay, other variety of operators apart from this different categories is ternary operator. Then we have bitwise operators. Bitwise operators also we have in Java. And many more and many others. Okay, a lot of miscellaneous operators are there and many others. Types of operators are there. So these are the different types or categories of operators we have in Java. So first one is arithmetic operators, second one is unary operators, relational operators, third one, fourth one is logical, fifth one is assignment operators, sixth one is ternary operator, seventh one is bitwise operators, and many other miscellaneous type of operators are there in Java. Okay. Now out of all these types, what I'm going to cover in this course. In the upcoming sessions of this course, am I going to explain all this each and every operator type that I covered here? No guys. Okay. I'll be covering up to only ternary operator. Those are most important ones. And there are many other operator types like bitwise operators and many other miscellaneous operators, which I may or may not cover in this course. Okay. So the most important operators I am going to cover in this course, guys. As part of operators concept in Java, I am going to cover this selected category of operators in this course: arithmetic, unary, relational, logical, assignment, ternary, which are more than enough for our learnings. Okay, fine. So in the next few upcoming sessions, I am going to cover all this category of operators. So this plus operator, which is an addition operator, belongs to the arithmetic operators in Java. Okay. So similarly, there are so many operator symbols which belong to different category of operators in Java, which I'm going to cover in the upcoming next few sessions. And in the next session, I'm going to first cover arithmetic operators. Okay, with practical demonstration, I'm going to explain and practically demonstrate this arithmetic operators in the next session. So that's all for this session, and see you in the next session where I'm going to explain and practically demonstrate the arithmetic operators for you. So see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.